celebrities who are crushing it in quarantine. From Martha Stewart and John Krasinski to Garry OConnell and Leslie Jordan, some stars are truly shining in isolation, sharing how to make the most out of living in lockdown. Today, the Fat Jewish weighs in on these quarantine winners.
Listen, I was in the bath. We were going to chat. It just felt right.
There's no way getting around it. You can always expect a surprise from social media sensation, the Fat Jewish. But even in a bubble bath, you can be sure he'll never water down his opinions.
A lot of celebrities in the quarantine have lost their minds, right? They're like, are we important? Does anyone care about us anymore? Most celebrities have been unraveling. Like, we had a full-blown Vanessa Hudgens meltdown.
Maybe I shouldn't be doing this right now.
But some celebrities are winning the quarantine war, staying hotter than hot, sequestered at home, like Britney Spears.
Britney's been on fire.
And he means it, literally.
I burnt my gym down, unfortunately. I had 2 candles, and yeah, one thing led to another.
But accidents aside,
Rolling Stone comes out with like the #1 debut singles of all time. It's the 20-year anniversary of Hit Me Baby One More Time, and she's #1.
Garry OConnell, who seems to be living in his BravoCon t-shirt, is also crushing it, although he admits homeschooling is a challenge.
Oh, sorry about that. I almost dropped you. You're so big.
Neither my wife or I can do 5th grade math. We just can't do it. Long division.
But subtract the math. O'Connell's teaching himself how to play the saxophone.
Sorry.
If I could see O'Connell shirtless playing a sax, that'd be some quality content. Jerry, if you see this, I'm personally requesting that content.
How about this content?
The secret to a fluffy baked potato: take it out of the oven, mash it on the counter.
Martha is just doing her thing. She is just absolutely living the dream, and I'm loving it.
Celebrity chef Ina Garten gets high marks for her now legendary quarantine Cosmo.
She's just made the glasses bigger and bigger. At this point, she's drinking out of basically a barrel.
Actor Stanley Tucci also knows his way around a kitchen, spending lockdown cooking up scrumptious dishes and mixing drinks like his favorite Negroni.
He also has a sick body, so for his perfect cocktails and his out-of-bounds body, like Tooch, you get a chef's kiss. Incredible.
Comedic actor Leslie Jordan is in the winner's circle for taking Instagram by storm with daily updates about living life in isolation.
Well, this is a mystery. It needs to be solved.
He's one of the cutest human beings on the earth, and everything he's doing in quarantine on Instagram is perfect. It kind of feels like you're basically best friends with him and you're at a sleepover.
Pillow talk.
And one of this year's Webby Special Achievement Award winners, John Krasinski, makes the list for some good news. Krasinski announced the show will be taking a break, but promised it will be back with more badly needed good news.
I'm cynical, I'm a New Yorker. I want to talk more about Britney burning her gym down. But even I found myself being damn, honestly, it's beautiful. It kind of warmed my heart a little bit.
Happy graduation!
Happy graduation!
While no date has yet been set for the return of John Krasinski's Good News show, you can stay informed by following Krasinski and some good news